Ladies and gents, thanks for tuning in today. I'm just gonna show you how to find the surface area and the volume of a cone. Some of these videos, it does kind of feel a little bit silly making them because you probably could just look up the formula and figure it out yourself. But here I am explaining it. I feel like cones are pretty easy because there's just a formula that you follow. But I'll explain what we've got going on here. So this 9 centimeters is the radius. So you'd always want to be careful. Like if the problem gave you the diameter, you'd just want to cut that in half to find the radius, of course. The height of the cone is 12 centimeters. And then again, we've got the slant height, which is represented by a cursive L. So, I don't know why they chose a cursive L. My guess is because of slant height, right? There's an L in there. And they probably made it cursive because if it was just a lowercase L, it would look like a 1. Okay. So, you will need this slant height. So, sometimes in problems, like they won't give it to you. But if you have the height of the cone and you have the radius, oh, hello, we have a right triangle. And of course, with right triangles, we can do our favorite thing, which you will never forget for the rest of your life, Pythagorean theorem. So 12 and 9. So if you want to pause the old video, plug that into your a squared and b squared and solve for c, or cursive L. Okay, go. Alright, great work, kids. So you should get 13. Nope, I just lied. Haha, psyched you all out. You're like, what did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't do anything wrong. 15 centimeters. Alright, so let's just plug and chug, shall we? So the area of the base. The base is a circle, so that formula is pi r squared. So that's going to be pi times 81. That's just coming from the 9 squared. Just write that out for you. Plus pi times the radius, which is 9, times the slant height, which is 15. 9 times 15 is 135. That's kind of awkward that I wrote the pi first, but whatever. So if you added 81 and 135, you would get 216 pi centimeters squared. That would be the exact answer because it's in terms of pi, but if you multiply 216 times pi, you get 678.6. That's your approximate answer. Yeah, I did that in my head, that math in my head. Just don't like to brag about it, but sometimes I have to. Just kidding, of course I have it on the side here. Alright, so that's the surface area. The volume, the formula is pretty much the same as the pyramid. 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. So again, if we had a cylinder that had the same size base, like circle for its base, and just like, you know, had the whole cylinder, it would take 3 cones to fill that cylinder. Mind-blowing. Alright, so 1/3 area of the base, we already said that's 81 pi. Now again, just keep in mind this is the height, ooh, I didn't finish my parentheses, of the cone, not the slant height. So this is 12. So again, your exact answer would be 324 pi, which is approximately 1,017.9 centimeters cubed. There it is. Thanks for watching.